Well, hello there everyone. If you are new here to my channel, welcome to my kitchen. And if you are one of my sweet, faithful followers, welcome back. I'm Christy and it is time to cook. I'm excited today, guys, because I'll be making a crescent ring. Now there are a wide variety of these. It really just depends on what you put inside of your crescent rolls. And you will be using refrigerated canned crescent rolls for this. Now today I'm gonna make an Italian crescent ring. It's basically an Italian sub. You have your ham and pepperoni, cheese, just everything that goes into a delicious Italian sub. These are perfect for parties and gatherings, and they are really, really pretty. They look so nice whenever they're done. So let me walk you through the ingredients that I will be using and show you just how to make it. So I'll be using some honey ham and some pepperoni, but you could also use salami if you wanted. All three of those together are delicious. Now, the cheese I'm using is a Havarti cheese. Typically, Provolone is what I use. I just didn't have any, and I wanted to clean out the sliced cheese in my refrigerator that I have, so that's what I'm gonna be using. And also some shredded mozzarella. Keep in mind that this is your Italian crescent ring. You can put whatever you want in yours. These are the ingredients that I will be using. Also have some banana pepper rings and some roasted bell peppers. I have a little bit here of the Olive Garden Italian dressing. You'll need 1 egg and a little bit of black pepper. So you will need a pizza pan, and as you can see here, I'm using my pizza stone and it is well used. It's really good and seasoned, so I don't have to oil it or anything. Then I'll just be taking these crescent rolls and making a ring, but I'll show you just how I do that. Just gently unroll them. And you're going to want to place them with the point side out. And we're going to overlap them. Just like this. All right, then just press down the center. And this is where you're going to put all of your delicious ingredients. So you want to kind of press it out really nice. Make sure you have enough room to pile in those ingredients. All right, then I'm just taking my cheese and folding it in half so I can have 2 pieces. And I'm placing it on the bottom. All right, then I'm going to take my ham and do the same thing. Just kind of fold it over my cheese. All right, next I'm going to take my banana pepper rings, just scatter them over the ham. I'm also going to put my roasted red bell peppers. Next is my pepperoni. Just going to line the pepperoni all around on top of my vegetables there. And I'm going to place some mozzarella cheese. Just going to pile it on top there. All right, the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of this Italian dressing right over top of my cheese. All right, this is the fun part, guys. Just fold over those points. Kind of tuck them in if you can. And I like to just kind of go around and make sure they're pressed good. That way they wouldn't happen to flip up or anything in the baking, that they stay down. All right, then I'm taking my 1 egg. I'm gonna whisk it. Just brush that egg right over top of those crescent rolls. Now you could sprinkle the top with Italian seasoning if you want. I'm just gonna Sprinkle a little bit of black pepper over top. Wow, this crescent ring, it already looks pretty, but it's going to look even prettier after it comes out of the oven. So you'll bake it in a 375-degree oven for about 20 minutes. All right, guys, so the Italian crescent ring is all done, and it is just beautiful. Now I'm just going to take a knife and I'm going to slice it up because I cannot wait to have a bite. All right, so here goes. Oh yeah. These are just so good. I guarantee you, if you make these, people will love them. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.